Hello kids, how are you all? Welcome back to the English virtual class. Today we are going to start the unit 2 in which we will do today a poem that is I am lucky. This is a very beautiful poem. So before starting the poem, let us know something about the poem. This poem is about the feelings of a young girl. The young girl thinks if she were any other creature like a butterfly, manna, fish, elephant, kangaroo, or octopus, she would be happy and thankful to God for everything she had in her life. So let's start reciting the poem. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. If I were a manna in the tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. In this, the girl is saying that she would have been thankful even she were a butterfly because it has wings, or a manna because it can sing. So now let's move on to the next para. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. In this, the girl goes on to say that she would have been happy and thankful even if she were a fish in the sea because it can giggle with delight. Now, let's understand the next one. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you but me. In this para, she thinks that she is lucky for what she is. So let's move on to the next one. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up the moon. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. In this, the girl goes on to say that she would have been happy and thankful even if she were an elephant because it can raise its trunk, or a kangaroo because it can hop high, or even an octopus because it has 8 arms. Let's move forward. So I just think that I am lucky to be me, not you but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me, or just you? Just you. In this, the girl thinks that she is lucky for what she is. She is also asking question to the reader if they are happy and satisfied with what they had in their life, or if they feel themselves lucky. So now let's discuss the new words. Butterfly, an insect with beautiful wings. Manna, a small bird. Lucky, blessed. Thanks. Wings, a feather of birds. Wriggle, to move slowly. Giggle, to laugh loudly. Glee, happiness. Now let's discuss the questions. Question number 1 is complete these sentences. One is a butterfly can fly. Number 2 is a manna can sing. Number 3 is a fish can wriggle. Number 4 is an elephant can raise its trunk. Number 5 is a kangaroo can hop. And number 6 is you can think. Number 2 is why do you think the butterfly likes its wings? The answer to this question is the butterfly likes its wings because they are very colorful. Question number 3 is what can the manna do? As we all know that the manna can sing and fly high in the sky. Question number 4 is, do you think the fish was really happy to be in water? The answer to this question is yes, the fish was really happy to be in water as she can swim in it with its fins. Next question is, fill in the blanks using the hint words given below. First one is, if I were a kangaroo, I would hop. We all know that a kangaroo can hop. So here the word hop will come in the blank. The next is, if I were a tiger, I would roar. We also know that a tiger can roar. So we have put here the word roar. Now the next word is, if I were a fish, I would swim. Here we also know that a fish can swim. So here the word swim will come in the blank. If I were a bird, I would fly. We know that a bird can fly. So here the word fly will come from the hint words given above. So I hope children, now you all have understood the poem and its back exercises well.